Hello, this is the last of all times. And now you will see all of them. 1 second. Come on. Get up there. Get up there. Okay, baby, you too. Wow. Because we can't do this in 24 minutes, okay? Okay. Okay, time to see all the contestants. One is Googie Boogie. His talent was kicking. Next one was the one that you never have seen. A horse. And it loves hitting. See? And the next one is a baby. Bye. And the other one is Lovers. He loves chewing. Charge. Okay, next up is Pootie. Pootie is a good rabbit, and he's nasty. Okay, Strawberry. Now, he's the best. He loves strawberries, and after that, he's the best. Yeah. He's the teddy bear that started it all. Bye, folks. Hope you enjoyed our show. Now.